Hello everybody, Gamer vs. Gaming here, aka A. Lawrence, and I'm back with some more Super Smash Bros. For the 3DS. So, in my last video, I was playing Super Smash Bros. As Little Mac. Today, I will be playing as Mr. Game & Watch. So, yeah. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, stuff like that. I'll probably say that at the end of the video. Well, okay. Just waiting for this to, load. Alright, let's go. Yeah, my record still sucks. What? Let me fix the camera. Okay. So, in the last video, I told... What the heck? It's not working. I told people that, I do not have the equipment to, like, thoroughly watch this, like, do stuff like this, like, play on the 3DS and stuff. Like, I don't have a capture card or anything. I don't even know how that stuff works. And, so you can't see the bottom screen, and the quality is like crap. So, yeah, that's a thing. Oh, yeah, I'm also sick. You can probably tell by the congestion in my voice. Oh, brilliance. Oh, God. Going off to a terrible start. Oh, God. This guy knows how to combo for wheels. Yes, I got him. Oh, man. I swear, if I lost a life on that one, that would have been like... No. Huh. Boom. Alright. Hopefully I don't do that bad. Ha! Yeah, I'm doing pretty bad. I was doing well, I guess. Off camera. Like a day or two ago. Okay, he's teabagging me. He means trouble. Dude, I lost. I know that for a fact. He's not letting me go to the ground. Obviously, I know why. Dang it, I had the perfect chance to KO him. I could KO him, but it won't really matter. I'm getting some sweet combos in, but it's not really gonna help. There. Dang it. I'll be doing 5 matches each video. My hands are a little slippery. Taunting battle. Alright, I'm trying to let time take over. Try not to get hit or anything. Ooh. Try to avoid him as much as I can. Come on. Ah. Camera isn't straightening out at all. You may notice that commentary is like really low today. Like, I'm not saying as much as I am like in real life, because I'm trying to like concentrate here. Competitive things need concentration. It's probably a fact most of you guys knew. Oh. Ooh. He countered my counter. Yes! Alright, I have a chance. Ah, there he goes. You gonna tell me? Oh, I guess he was AFK. Yeah, first win of the video. I'll try to convince my dad to let me get a capture card. To make this stuff better quality. Cause he's... Ooh. Prism Tower. Oh my god, my nose. Oh, he's playing... Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Oh god. God, no. God bless my soul. Oh, there we go. Wow. Yeah, this became a defensive battle for me. Dude, not even good with Fox. Oh my god. Yes! Nice. 2-1. Not bad. Oh, he's playing with Mario again. Yeah, he's not letting me attack. I obviously know why. Wonder why he was AFK last time. In Gerudo Valley. Maybe he had to do something. Alright. He has more oh, we're at equal damage right now. Oh, yeah, he has 10% more damage than I do. Now he has 2% more. Oh god, he just boosted me up to 103. I will KO him no matter what. He's trying to pull me off the stage. I will KO him before he does that. Nah, he's probably gonna KO me first. Yep, call it. Oh, and he taunted me. I'm pissed. Pissed up twice. Huh. Yeah. What is this, the fourth match? Yeah. Yeah, because my camcorder's battery is running a little low. So, yeah. Can't remember how much of a hassle it was to upload the last video. Yes! Oh, yeah. KO hit him with the hammer, bruh. The down hammers. Those are the most effective move for him. Oh, and he, apparently he rage quit. There's a new guy now. Oh, let me just fix this. Oh, he's Marth. Or she. No, it's a he. He's good Marth. Unlike the last person in the last video. Yeah, his sword can get him some range, so can't really do much about that. Keeps grabbing me. Ooh, I got him with my torch. Can I be 4-1? Or will I be 3-2? Wow. Oh, there we go. I knew it. Downhammer is the best for wanting to KO them below the stage. Just in case any of you want that pro tip, I'm not a pro. I don't want that KO. Dang it! Alright, so he has a chance. We're about tied up. I'll try to KO him the same way I did last time. Oh, no, that sent him up. Oh, I could have died. I forgot that I only had one stock left. Jeez, get over here, man. Bro. 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 Woo. Alright. This is it. Yeah, he's done. Definitely. Unless he KOs me. Yes! Alright. I did it. I am 4-1 this video. So, yeah. That's gonna be all for today. Next video I will probably be Toon Link. So, remember, thanks for watching, leave a like, or a comment, and subscribe. Yeah, so, peace off.